Hi you guys, welcome back to Brittany Olivia, and in today's video we will be doing a wig review on a cheap wig I actually got from Amazon, you guys. But this is the wig I got from Amazon. Of course it came fast because it was shipped by Amazon. The packaging, it's nice or whatever, it's okay. It just has wig on it though. There's no detail on it on the outside, but we are going to open it and see what's in it, you guys. It came with the makeup things for the press powder, and then it came with the net weaving cap. Then here is the wig. It just has the normal construction, has two combs right here, 1 and 2, and then it has the drawstrings in the back. Okay you guys, so this is the wig straight out the pack with no manipulation on my head, you guys. I'm gonna pull apart the curls. I don't want to disturb the curls too much so soon in the game, but we're gonna see how it looks. Now, when I used to get the synthetic wigs, I used to just take a comb and just brush all the curls out. I do have my brush right there though. I'm tempted. You guys, if you're still watching, don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. There was more than this, okay? This is not a lot, but there's more than this somewhere that fell. So you guys, this is gonna be the end result. Tell me what you guys think in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, you guys. Bye.